Yes.
May I come in, sir?
Yes. Sit.
Thank you, sir.
Introduce yourself.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Indranil Kurkai. I am 17 years old. I am from South 24 Parganas, West Bengal. In my family, apart from my parents, I have an elder sister. She has done masters in vocal music from Rabindra Bharati University in Kolkata. My father is a technician who works as a plumber in Johnson Company, and my mother is a homemaker. Now talking about my qualification, I have completed my 10th from West Bengal board and my percentage is 93. And I have also completed my 12th from West Bengal board and my percentage is 94. And talking about my additional qualification, I have done certification from Bangiya Sangeet Parishad in tabla playing, and my hobbies are playing cricket and tabla playing.
Your hobbies are playing cricket.
And tabla playing.
So, have you played it on district level or state level?
No, sir. I have only played on village.
Acha, in village.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you are a batsman or a bowler?
Batsman.
You are a batsman. Who is your favorite batsman?
MS Dhoni.
Why?
Because he has a experience, leadership quality, and mentoring. He has a mentoring skill, good quality of mentoring skill, and he is a innovative in wicket keeping.
Innovative in wicket keeping. How?
Because his lightning fast wicket keeping is very good, and his action and is very good.
What is important thing in its like how can you identify the innovation in his wicket keeping?
Because he is lightning fast as comparison to the other wicket keeper.
Okay. And leadership, according to you, what is leadership?
His captaincy is very good, and he has a good quality of captaincy that he managed the team in very well quality, and he managed all the things under pressure in a better quality of rather than other.
So why are you not going for a wicket keeper in your cricket team?
Because I have traveled in wicket keeping.
Okay. You are facing troubles in wicket keeping.
Yes.
Okay. Why do you want to join Merchant Navy?
First of all, the return of money is more in Merchant Navy, where I can get more return of money by doing courses at reasonable cost, and a career is good for me when it provides me growth, significance and contribution. Initial phase in Merchant Navy, the initial phase I get at least 2 out of these. These are growth and contribution to the world economy, and when I will become an officer, then I will get the significance also. And Merchant Navy also provides me a psychological safety and clarity also.
What are the job roles of third mate?
Third mate, ship navigation and paperwork and watch keeping.
Okay. What is the job role of a deck cadet?
Deck cadet, all the things. I think in Merchant Navy, all the members should be a all-rounder in that field. So
No. Then how are you getting the significance? If job roles are not fixed, then how are you getting the significance?
What is that?
Okay. What if I give you 1 crore rupees? What will you do with that?
I will use 40% for savings, and 10% for my learning and enjoyment, and 10% for my loan. My father has a loan, so I use it, and 10% for village development, and 10% for investment.
Investment in what?
In pharmacies.
Pharmacy?
Yes, sir.
Like what? How?
Like pharmaceutical companies.
Okay, in those companies. Okay, got your point. Who is your inspiration?
My father is my inspiration.
Why?
Because he is hardworking, and he is polite, and he is honest.
So why are you not in your father's profession?
No doubt it is a noble profession, but there is less salary, and there is no structure and clarity, and there I won't get any significance also. So
Okay, okay, okay,
so I don't have any interest in it.
okay. Which one is your favorite movie?
I
Don't watch
don't
movie.
know.
What are you watching? Web series, movie, cartoons, anything in your life?
Actually, I bought my phone after 11th, so
On TV?
on TV. Uh,
You used to watch something in your childhood days.
last time I watched Jamnapar web series.
Which one? Jamnabar.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So is it your favorite or like you have watched this for fun?
I watched this. You
What was the story of that?
as in Jamnapar, the main character is protagonist is Ritvik Sahore. His name is I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
I don't have any knowledge about.
So you have watched that web series and you don't have any knowledge about that.
Actually, I forget it.
You forgot. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What if you are on a ship and someone in your family is seriously ill? What will you do?
First, I control myself and control my emotion, and then I will contact to my neighbors and relatives, and I will tell them that admit him or her in a good hospital, and I can help financially as much as I can.
Okay. Why are you so nervous?
because
Because of what?
because I feel very nervous.
Because of what?
Because that is my first interview.
Okay,
front
that
of
is your
you.
first interview.
I feel very nervous.
ओके ठीक है। नाउ हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं इसको, क्योंकि सब ये लगभग सबका ही फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू है तो हम सबको बताते जा रहे हैं कि सबने क्या किया क्या नहीं किया है। इंट्रोडक्शन अच्छा है। वाई मर्चेंट नेवी में तुम जॉब रोल्स में क्लियर नहीं हो, इसलिए मैंने तुम्हें 1.5 दिया है आउट ऑफ 2। जॉब रोल्स थोड़े और क्लियर करो, क्योंकि जब आप सिग्निफिकेंस की बात करते हो ना तो वो आपसे जॉब रोल्स पूछना चाहेगा, ठीक है, फुल फॉर्म पूछना चाहेगा, काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें पूछेगा, ठीक है। हॉबीज़ तुम्हारी ठीक है। हॉबीज़ में जैसे मैंने जिसके बारे में भी बात करी, धोनी के बारे में बात करी, तो तुम वहाँ पे बिल्कुल क्लियर हो, दैट इज़ अ गुड थिंग। एंड बॉडी लैंग्वेज भी ठीक है, बॉडी लैंग्वेज ठीक है, लेकिन थोड़ी नर्वसनेस मुझे अभी भी दिखाई पड़ रही है, तो मैंने 1.5 दिया है, ठीक है। एंड कम्युनिकेशन स्किल गड़बड़ है यार, कई जगह पर मिस्टेक्स हैं,
Yes, sir.
ठीक है। जैसे कि एन एल्डर सिस्टर होता है, ए एल्डर सिस्टर नहीं होता है। ट्रबल वाला जो सेंटेंस था तो
Facing trouble.
हाँ, आई एम फेसिंग ट्रबल होता है, वो ठीक नहीं था। ऐसे करके 2-3 जगह और भी थी, तो वो मैंने यहाँ पे डाल दिए हैं। एंड नर्वसनेस दिखाई पड़ रही है यार, आई कांटेक्ट ठीक है, बट कॉन्फिडेंस में नर्वसनेस थोड़ी सी दिख रही है। तो मैंने क्या किया है वहाँ पे 1.5 देते रहा हूँ मैं तुम्हें, मतलब बाकियों से तुम्हारा फिर भी ठीक है, लेकिन अभी है थोड़ी नर्वसनेस। एसी में अगर पसीना आ रहा है तो मतलब नर्वसनेस है।
नहीं सर, मेरा ये आता ही है, मतलब
एसी में भी?
हाँ, ऑल टाइम आता है।
अच्छा चलो ठीक है, मैं क्लास में नोटिस करूँगा, अगर
हाँ।
आता होगा तो थोड़े नंबर
हाँ,
दे।
सिर्फ यहाँ पे ही आता है, और कोई जगह नहीं आता।
ठीक है, तो ये है अभी सिचुएशन। तुम्हें कुछ पूछना हो अपने एंड पे तो?
सर, कम्युनिकेशन स्किल कैसे इम्प्रूव करें?
ऐसे इम्प्रूव होगी जैसे अभी हम बात कर रहे हैं।
क्योंकि मैं पूरा टेक्निकल मेरा बंगाली पे था, मैं सब कुछ बंगाली पे करके आया हूँ।
हाँ, तो अब उसको इंग्लिश में करना शुरू कर दो और रिहर्स करो, रट्टा मत मारना, रिहर्सल करना है। रिहर्सल करने का मतलब क्या है कि कोई एक दोस्त ले लो, उसके साथ में क्या करो, जैसे मान लो तुम्हें टेक्निकल क्वेश्चन है, 10 क्वेश्चन तुम उससे पूछोगे इंग्लिश में, वो आंसर करेगा, 10 क्वेश्चन वो तुमसे पूछेगा, तुम आंसर करोगे। तो शुरू में क्या है कि थोड़ी बहुत मिस्टेक्स होंगी, गलतियाँ होंगी, फिर तुम्हें क्या करना है, उनको नोट डाउन करना है और उनको एनालाइज करके करेक्ट करना है। ये करते जाओ करते जाओ करते जाओ, एट द एंड ऑफ द डे चीज़ें अपने आप ट्रैक पे आ जाएंगी, ठीक है ना। चलो, थैंक यू।